Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your all duplicate contact very easily. Because sometimes accidentally we create a duplicate contact, and when we will search on the contact for any contact name, and then it create a problem for us. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can delete your duplicate contact very easily. So go to the contact, and then you will see three dots on top right. Click on it, and you will see manage contact options. Click on it, and then you will see merge contact options. Click on it. So you can see all merge contact here. So click on select all. After that, it will automatically select one contact from the duplicate. After that, you will see merge options at the bottom. Click on it. So in this way, you can see that my merge contact will be deleted. So guys, by following this process, you can easily delete your merge contact very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.